Welcome to our deep dive into the captivating universe of machinery maintenance. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep, and in this video, we will unravel the intricacies of maintaining mechanical assets in facilities, from preventive measures to on-the-spot repairs. We will also highlight the unsung heroes of this industry, the maintenance workers. So, if you're part of a maintenance or operations team, or simply curious about how machinery maintenance works, stick around for some insightful revelations. Now let's dive into the fascinating world of machinery maintenance. It's the process by which mechanical assets in a facility are kept in working order. This involves regular servicing of equipment, routine checks, repair work, and replacement of worn or non-functional parts. And we're not just talking about heavy-duty industrial equipment. Even simple hand-operated machines need a bit of TLC. You might think maintenance only happens after a machine breaks down, but that's not the case. There are proactive approaches like preventive and predictive maintenance. Preventive maintenance is all about keeping assets in good repair through regularly scheduled service, while predictive maintenance uses equipment monitoring to detect problems before they result in a breakdown. So, who are the heroes that keep the machines running smoothly? There are three types of machinery maintenance workers you should know about. First up, we have machinery mechanics. Their job is to keep industrial machinery fully operational by performing necessary maintenance. They work on a variety of equipment, from conveyor systems to production machinery. However, they usually don't get involved in advanced diagnostics. If they do any diagnostic work, it's typically by visual inspection. Next, we have maintenance technicians. Unlike mechanics, they focus more on the diagnostic side of maintenance. They use computers and instrumentation to figure out why a machine is malfunctioning, and then prescribe a solution. They might perform the repairs themselves, or a mechanic might be assigned to the task. Finally, we have millwrights. They're the jack of all trades in the maintenance world. Not only do they do repairs and perform maintenance work, but they also install, assemble, dismantle, and move assets within the facility. Let's look at an example of machine maintenance in action. Consider the automotive parts manufacturing industry. They use many automated machines to make steel car parts. Each machine needs to be perfectly calibrated to perform its function at the right moment in the right way. If one machine fails, it can disrupt the entire manufacturing process, leading to costly downtime. That's why routine maintenance is so critical. It ensures each asset performs as needed and helps resolve potential issues before they result in an expensive breakdown. Machine maintenance isn't just crucial for the automotive industry. It's utilized in many sectors that rely on heavy equipment. For instance, in plastics product manufacturing, machines like injection molds, extrusion machines, and plastic granulators require regular maintenance. The same goes for the automotive manufacturing, refineries, food production, steel mills, and apparel production industries. Each of these sectors has a variety of equipment that frequently require maintenance. Now, if you're wondering how one becomes a machinery maintenance professional, there are several paths to take. Training is available through trade schools, community colleges, and universities. These programs prepare individuals to perform all types of maintenance on industrial machinery and typically award a degree or certificate upon completion. But the learning doesn't stop there. The Society for Maintenance and Reliability Professionals, or SMRP, offers further certification through an examination. Those who pass the exam earn the Certified Maintenance and Reliability Professional, or CMRP, certification. This program, accredited by the American National Standards Institute, or ANSI, measures professionals' understanding of business, equipment reliability, organization, leadership, work management, and manufacturing process reliability. And if you're looking to stay updated on the latest in machinery maintenance, check out manufacturingtomorrow.com and plantservices.com. They offer informative articles on recent developments, best practices, and new technologies in machinery maintenance. So, there you have it, a comprehensive look at machinery maintenance, the professionals who keep our machines running, and the vital role it plays in various industries. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the world of machinery maintenance, the different roles involved, and the importance of regular upkeep in various industries. If you found this video informative, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit upkeep.com. Until next time, keep learning, and stay tuned for more from UpKeep.